So this might just look like a 40-20 to y'all, but you've probably heard me talk about it before, how we used to have one about 14, 15 years ago. Well, this is it. This is that 40-20. Apparently, this is one of the customers I delivered to at work, and my uncle said, yeah, that's the guy that bought it. Huh. I cannot believe this. I cannot believe it. Wow. It was 2006 is when we got rid of it, when we sold it. So I really do not remember a whole heck of a lot of it. I just remember pictures and everything. But wow. Wow. I'll put some pictures in this video of when we actually had it. But apparently this is it. This is our 40-20. Wow. I don't know if he'd ever sell it or not. Anyway, there she be. There she be.